Welcome to another kitchen table unboxing video. This is a Fogstar Drift Pro lithium-ion battery and 230 amp hour, and according to my calculations or my measurements, it should fit under the seat in the van if I lay it on its side. And being a lithium battery, you can essentially put them any way up, though Fogstar say not upside down. So, what have we got? We've got the bolts. They are M8s or M10s. Need to make sure I get the right lugs for those. And a battery. Not much else I can say about that. It's got nice carrying handles. Let's get it out. And there we are. Bit of a lump. It's about, I think, 25 kilos, something like that. Not much to say about it really. It's got a local on-off switch. This is the Drift Pro, so it has the CAN bus port, which I can use to connect to a Servo GX, which will give me good Victron integration. Hopefully that will go in the van under the driver's seat on its side.